Welcome to this week's Legal Insight with Ngada Attorneys. Today, we're exploring the process of debt recovery in South Africa, a critical aspect of maintaining financial accountability while upholding legal rights. Debt recovery typically begins with amicable, non-litigious steps aimed at resolving matters efficiently and preserving business relationships. These include direct communication with the debtor, followed by a formal letter of demand detailing the outstanding amount and the basis of the claim. If the debtor acknowledges the debt but requests time to pay, an acknowledgement of debt can be signed, setting out payment terms, interest, and legal cost clauses to streamline enforcement in case of default. Negotiated payment plans or settlements are also common at this stage. If informal efforts fail, legal action begins with the issuing of a summons through the magistrates or High Court, depending on the value and complexity of the claim. If the debtor doesn't respond, a default judgment can be granted. If defended, the matter proceeds to trial. Once judgment is obtained, enforcement follows. This may include a warrant of execution against movable property, attachment of bank accounts through garnishee orders, or salary deductions via Emoluments Attachment Orders. The attachment of funds in a bank account is particularly effective, requiring the sheriff to serve an order on the debtor's bank to freeze and release funds. Where assets or income are insufficient, Section 65 proceedings can compel the debtor to disclose their finances under oath. As a last resort, creditors may apply to sell immovable property. All recovery steps must align with South African legislation, including the National Credit Act, the Magistrates' Courts Act, and the Prescription Act, which limits the enforceability of most debts to 3 years. The landmark case of University of Stellenbosch Law Clinic, Vive National Credit Regulator, reinforced the need for judicial oversight, especially regarding salary garnishments, protecting debtors from unfair deductions, and forum shopping by creditors. At Ngada Attorneys, we combine strategic legal action with a firm understanding of this evolving legal landscape, ensuring our clients recover debts effectively, ethically, and within the bounds of the law. Contact us on the details below for any legal guidance. Whether you're collecting a debt or protecting your rights, we're here to help.